If you're running an online store and losing customers at checkout, an abandoned cart flow in Klaviyo can help you recover those lost sales automatically. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up an abandoned cart flow in Klaviyo step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a working automation that reminds customers to complete their purchase. First, log into your Klaviyo account and go to the Flows section. This is where all your automations are managed. Click on Create Flow and from the templates, select Abandoned Cart. Using the template is the easiest way to get started. Next, you need to set the trigger. The trigger should be based on your e-commerce platform, such as Started Checkout or Added to Cart. Choose the correct event depending on your store integration with Klaviyo. Once the trigger is set, you'll see the flow builder. The first step is usually a time delay. Set a delay of about 1 to 4 hours after the customer abandons their cart. This gives them time to return on their own before sending a reminder. After the delay, add your first email. This email should be a simple reminder showing the items left in the cart. Include product images, clear messaging, and a strong call to action like complete your purchase. Next, add another delay, usually 24 hours, and create a second email. In this email, you can add urgency by mentioning limited stock or high demand. You can also add a third email after another delay. This one can include an incentive like a discount code or free shipping to encourage the customer to complete the purchase. Make sure to personalize your emails using dynamic tags so customers see their actual cart items. This increases the chances of conversion. Before activating the flow, test it to ensure emails are sent correctly and links work properly. Once everything looks good, turn the flow live. Now, whenever a customer abandons their cart, Klaviyo will automatically send reminder emails to bring them back. In this tutorial, we learn how to set up an abandoned cart flow in Klaviyo by choosing a template, setting triggers, adding delays, creating emails, and activating the flow. This helps recover lost sales and improve your store's revenue. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.